Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show a little tutorial. It's going to be super fast, and this is something you guys requested. You wanted to see how to attach the button stand, and here, because I'm making my birthday outfit, this is the last piece, and you're going to see the video very soon. It's going to be a long video. I filmed the whole process of me creating my birthday outfit in just 2 days, and it's tonight. This is my last piece. I think I'm going to finish it like in an hour. I only have to attach the button stand and the collar, and I thought I'll use this opportunity to show you guys how to attach the button stand. So on one side we already created from itself of the fabric that we folded twice, and we created the button stand where the buttons are going to sit. And now here, remember, we have two sides open for the button stand. These are the buttonholes, as we created these by hand with sewing with no buttonhole foot. And I also have the tutorial in my YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description for you guys to watch the whole process of how to create this button stand. And now here I'm going to show you how to attach the button stand as you all requested to show you. So remember, we have two sides open like this, and one side is going to be top stitched and closed. The other side is going to be open, and here at the end where I said we're going to leave 1 centimeter open, not stitched right to the end, was because we want to fold the end. And we attach this after we have finished the hem on our shirt. So once the hem is done, we're going to attach the button stand just like this. It's super simple, guys. Super simple. I have to pin them in place, but I'm just going to show you guys. So yeah, so like this. We're going to put the shirt through the button stand, and then we're going to do a top stitch closer to the edge. And the end, just make sure everything's tucked in and everything's lined up. And then we're just going to top stitch. Okay, so this is how you attach it. I just did a top stitch, and here we have our button stand. Now I'm going to close this side, and then I'm going to make my collar and do the rest of my shirt, and you will see this design in my video on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will make a video and share for you all. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.